Okay, guys. Well, this is the first ride that I'm taking the bike out on since changing the exhaust, and yeah, it's a lot louder, it's a lot gruntier. I don't know if it'd be interesting to see how it comes out on video, but yeah, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. And this is with the Baffle in, you know, so it's fully road legal and all that sort of stuff. Apparently you only take the Baffle out if you're, you know, going to take the bike on a track or something like that. But the annoying thing is, it's raining. I don't want it to rain. Why does it have to rain? Well, it said 65% chance of precipitation. So, see, I see blue sky. You know, it shouldn't rain, but it is. Well, hopefully it's not going to be like heavy rain. It'll just be a little shower. But as I take it on the 414 over there, I will you know, maybe take it up to, if it's safe, I'll take it up to 10,000 and just see what it sounds like. Quite busy today. Come on, somebody. Just a little gap. Just a tiny little gap is what I mean. Just a little gap. Oh, come on, this is crazy. Patience. Must exercise patience. I know. Maybe now. Right. Let's see what it sounds like, eh? Okay, so that's 70 miles an hour. Yeah, 70 miles an hour. I don't really hear the exhaust so much, it's more wind noise, so... Let's just tuck into the left here. So, yeah, that's rather interesting. I must say, I'm liking it. I'm very much liking it. It'd be interesting to see. Now, as for performance, the bike feels exactly the same as it was before. It doesn't feel any quicker, doesn't feel any slower. The acceleration is just as it was before. So that's a good thing. I didn't want the exhaust to increase or decrease the performance. I wanted it to stay the same, and it appears that it has done just that. So That's a good little purchase, I think. Alright, all good. Okay, speak to you later.